case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for.
The 1972 Supreme Court case, Federal Power Commission v. Florida Power and Light Company, centered around the question of whether the Federal Power Commission, FPC, had enough evidence to prove it had the authority to regulate the energy produced by Florida Power and Light Company, FP&L. The situation involved FP&L's electricity moving through interconnected electrical systems and indirectly reaching out-of-state companies. FP&L argued that its power did not cross state lines and should not be subject to FPC jurisdiction. The FPC, using two scientific tests to assert jurisdiction, disagreed. The Court of Appeals, however, rejected these tests as insufficient, leading to the case being brought before the Supreme Court. The question before the Supreme Court was whether FP&L's power mingled with another company's supply and was passed on, or if it displaced a similar amount of power from another company, which would determine if the FPC had jurisdiction over FP&L. The court ruled that expert testimony could be considered substantial evidence if there was no other evidence available. In its decision, the Supreme Court reversed the Court of Appeals ruling and remanded the case for reinstatement of the FPC's order. It found that the FPC had demonstrated, using tracing studies and expert opinions, that intermediate companies were insufficient for establishing jurisdiction. As such, the court acknowledged the Commission's efforts to establish jurisdiction and reinstated the FPC's order to regulate FP&L.
Case briefs, and so much more. LS Data's got what you're looking for. Visit lse.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.